That's a big 410 Roger there, Tripe. You're sounding 10-8 out there in the world of town. Put the speak in smoke volume once again.
Hello, Swing Blade.
245.
Have enough audio up in the dirty will. I don't know, man. I think this microphone doing okay there. Fuck that hi-fi shit. We'll just...
Oh, Mr. Buckshot. That Buckshot down there in Kentucky. 243's waving. We got you in there hollering for 243. It's a little rough and tough. Can't quite pull you out just yet, but I'll tell you what, if you get me a couple more, he's back on the top.
43, love you, brother. How about a skip land, the Magic Man 43, looking.
Kilowatt 225, Mr. Kilowatt 225, 243's trying to get in your receive.
Hey, 410 Roger. 410 Roger, making all types of noise up here in the northeast corner, up here in Massachusetts. What's the conditions on my conditions? Man, get on down, break off. Hey, 410 Roger, running on a shotgun made 4-pill. Running on a shotgun made 4-pill with a 3-element flamethrower. That's what you're riding with right now. 40. Hey. Ready? Ready? Where's Skip back? Hey, Rico.
Okie dokie.
You don't got no skip audio there, Tesla. I apologize, my jaw doing it nasty, my radio. W747. Oh,
127. You up back quiet.
Going back in.
Hey, waving at you there,
Hey, watch it.
Oh, yeah, watch me. Yeah, watch it. Oh, yeah, watch me.
He's gonna get mad at you.
Better weather coming up. No problem, 747. Oh, Mr. 357 Killbill, I tell you what, you must have woken that
Hey, no radio. Hey, everybody's welcome in the radio, right?
Virginia, we're going to try it one more time. Virginia, 118, Rhode Island, break up.
Massachusetts, get on down, I'll see you, baby.
Hey, macaroni, man, I like cheese, I like Parmesan cheese, man. Just like that fettuccine one. Yeah, whoa, macaroni, man, 127, you okay now? You're just trying to work Mother Nature, man. Cut that bullshit out.
Skip land.
Hey, Buckeye, cut it off, man. Cut it off. What are you doing?
Hey, Rico, stop that, man. Hey, give the man a break. Don't doubt about it. Man, have a break. Don't doubt about it. Hey, Rico, 43 Magic Man right in your hood. Hey, Rico, 43.
All right, back, Rory. Want to try to get these knobs straight.
Macaroni. Hey, Macaroni, I'm trying to get that plate at a lower straight. Macaroni, lower, Macaroni, Macaroni, pistol gone. Hey, welcome to the party. Hey, people, welcome to the party, man. We got a lot of cats up here, no doubt about it. Hey, I'm running a party up here in the Northeast corner. 43 Magic Man, 4 wheels, get out down, you something good in the hood. Hey, once I get these 4 knobs right, it's over.
Let's see if I can't get up in your radio 127. See what conditions are like. 127, pistol grip, T-bucket, breaker.
Hey, T-bucket, get out my backyard. Hey, T-bucket, get out my backyard, T-bucket. You lower. Hey, T-bucket, I hope you got that video game rolling. T-bucket, pistol, bang, bang, bang.
Yeah, I got that gate rolling. 127, I got that gate rolling, man. You're all on top of everything. 127, T-bucket, bye.
Alright, good. I'm gonna sit back and let the rest of New York City rock on a little bit. You lower. Lower Max. Lower Max, I'm down.
Yeah, you got that lowest IMAX, man, but that biggest signal right now, Mr. 127. You'll be able to check it out in T-bucket video gates on YouTube. T-bucket, bye.
Yeah, well, don't get too happy because it's all about the bass. Don't get too the bass. Commercial break and the bass is gone. New York, waving a hand.
Yeah, 127, all about the bass came in there and said, don't get too happy, because it's all about the bass. Bye.
How about it, Mr. T-bucket? Hello, T-bucket. That on the way. I hope he put that on his own gate. I hope he don't delete that on his own gate. And the bass is gone. Hello, T-bucket, 239, New York, Mr. T-bucket, 239, New York, waving a hand.
Yeah, I got you in there, Mr. 239. You're making all kinds of noise in these lakes. Mr. 239, T-bucket, right back.
Hey, T-bucket, you taking over the airwaves over here. Mr. T-bucket, you taking over the airwaves. You sound great. God bless on a beautiful day. Your friend, 239, New York.
That's what I like to hear, 239, that this equipment's working, man. This is just a bunch of garage sale equipment. 239, T-bucket, I'll see ya.
Hey, that's the garage sale I want to be at. That's the garage sale I want to be at. It's amazing. God bless you. You sound great. Your friend, 239, New York, back wide.
Yeah, right back your way, 239, man. Have a super fine work week coming up till we do it again, my friend. 239, T-bucket in the lakes. And I'll see ya.
Let me know when it's time to start cranking it up, your pistol. Bang.
Yeah, pistol, you just went bang. I don't know who else was keyed up, pistol, but you came in there and you went bang. Pistol grip, T-bucket, bye.
Yeah, but I'm only cocking about an 80 grid, 80 or 70. You tell me when it's time to turn it up. I said I got a whole bunch more to go, man.
Yeah, 10-4 and a whole bunch more to go. Right now, you're not needing it. 127, T-bucket, bye.
When I'm telling you 60, 70 grand, you know what I'm saying, right?
Yeah, I know what you're saying with the 60, 70 grand. I know exactly what you're saying, 127, bye.
220, 60, 60 grid. The whole world knows I got about another 30 grid to go. They know I got about another 30 grid to go with about another 300 watts for dead key carrier. I'm back out.
Yeah, 10-4 and another 30 to go, man. You definitely got another 30 to go, you say. 127, T-bucket, bye.
I'm gonna allow the places to get in your faces. 127, the lowest time. 60 grid, I'm gone. Room, come on.
I got it all because you said it all there, 127. You got some bees coming up in there with you, man. It's just about neck to neck, but you're still on top, 127, T-bucket, bye.
Hey, to be on top, they all got the height of me. T-bucket 811, here I come.
Yeah, here you come, 811. You got that right. Here you come. It's just about neck to neck, but 811, you're coming out on top of my radio, 811. The conditions are on you, and I'll see ya.
899, you still smoking up here around the Boogie Down Bronx. You still got that hammer down? Hey, 2 weeks. 899, crush, and more crush. I'm stepping back.
39 said that. 899 crush and more crush. I had a whole bee's nest in my radio, and then I had 899 crush. T-Bucket, bye, bye, bye. Mr. 811 trying to have fun, and then when you unkeyed, it was all 127. T-Bucket, bye, bye, bye.
Have a blessed day, T-Bucket. Thank you for keeping it live and keeping it 5. I'm getting on down.
Yeah, right back your way, man. I'm keeping it live the best I can. I'll be having this video gate up on T-Bucket Video Gates on YouTube. I'm gonna go ahead and stop this gate and get back out the way. T-Bucket, and I'll see ya. Bye, bye, bye.
Bye, T-Bucket. Hey, T-Bucket, you gotta hammer down up there in the Boogie Down Bronx, too. T-Bucket, 148 crush waving. I'll see you.
All right, 148, man. Yeah, you're the biggest hammer that go around, no doubt about it. You're doing that deal, 148 crush. Good to put it on you again, my friend. T-Bucket, I'll see ya.
I got that. Hey, T-Bucket, where you putting that gate?
148, you sound...
Yeah, 127, that gate's gonna be up on T-Bucket Watergates on YouTube, and I'll see ya.
Right there, right back. 30, crush wave. Afternoon time, weekend wave.
2-3 now. I'm shot, your 127 is gone. Waving a hand.
Listen to some of this race and listen to the all at the same time, but definitely heard everybody coming down.
But you killed that video gate, I'm back quiet.
Figured I'd bump it back down to the east side. Mr. 148 crush, old phantom with a wave, got down.
I got that 148, 148. My friend, 239. Oh, here comes this. Hey, Phantom, I'm gonna put a little crush with the drive back, so I'm going. How about a 148, just little for 9, New York waving that hand. Hey, Renegade, stop. Renegade, stop. How about that, Phantom?
This guy's a racist right here.
New York, breaker. Anyway, let's meet a one-on-one. Take care around the buck, too. No. Pistol bang, I'm gone. Okay, DX Land, waving a hand once again. 239, New York.
Yeah, I hear you calling New York, but there's another station that's right there in there with you. I've been straining my trying to make it out, but you guys are neck and neck right now.
Just tell them. Just let them know. I'm getting on down. 148, your friend, N.Y, New York. Breaker. 747, 929, over here in the court. Got 95, 309, everybody out here. I've been around New York City. So I guess I got something in these 4 knobs, right? Your pistol, bang. Where is Macaroni on Indiana? 747, 929, 929, over here in the Gordon. Come on.
How dare you make me go up to full power, you? Don't you a slick, huh?
Hello, Mr. 148. Hello?
Hold on. My brother was having too much fun. He made me drive it up.
47, easy number. 929.
There's a lot of Sunday evening traffic. Mercy. Be careful.
614. About a base.
With the wave, DX Land. DX Land, 239, New York, waving a hand. Mikey, with the wave.
Mind you, in that video gate, I was 60 grid. I didn't raise it till after he shut off.
Well, it's still running 127. I might have lied. It's still running. I got you in there 127. T-Bucket. Bye.
Oh, I thought you killed us, so you called me when I, T-Bucket, you called me when I read that, T-Bucket, when I read that radio, when I went to T-Bucket, 127, go.
Yeah, I caught it all there, 127. I caught it all, and it's still going, man. I'm going to cut it off in a minute, but it's still rolling, 127. T-Bucket. Bye.
Yeah, that's no good, 811. Hello, T-Bucket, 200, Pennsylvania.
Yeah, 200, man. You just came across the top for a minute there. 200, T-Bucket. I see ya.
Mr. Worldwide, T-Bucket, 8 T-Bucket. So, you rascals jumping up and down. Southeastern Pennsylvania. 114 with the New York wind.
Hello, DX Land 1207.
Yeah, there was a whole bunch of B's in my radio. I couldn't pull nothing out, but y'all have to watch the gate and figure it out for yourself. T-Bucket. I'll see ya.
Hello, T-Bucket, 1207.
Pistol, go bang.
Come back when I need it.
Yeah, that was a whole bunch of 127 and Dave made, and just about next what I'm seeing. T-Bucket, I'll see ya.
Bucket, more bucket, 811, hit and run. Come on, that hit and run, I'm gone.
Yeah, 811 hit and run. 811 hit and run, and you're gone. That's what I had in my radio. T-Bucket, bye.
Folks in.
1207, Keystone. 243, 426, right?
That station out in Georgia, about that station out there in Georgia, shouting out 614. You got 614 with the wave. Let's go, Georgia. Hey, T-Bucket, thanks for bringing Sunday excitement. Oh, hey, T-Bucket. Hey, Georgia. Hey, Western Georgia, we're going back to you, 614 with the wave.
Okay, it's been my pleasure, 127, man. I'm going to cut it off for real this time. And it should be up on T-Bucket Video Gates on YouTube in about an hour. 127 and everybody else. T-Bucket, bye.
King on top of the block. King. That's right. Richie. 1, 2, 7. Audio. Right. King. It's clear.
426, Rhode Island. In the mail, we're leaving.
149 in New Jersey, and wave his hand down here in Georgia. All right, the green light's on. I'll be back in a little bit.
28 is 101 in New York. Anybody have a copy? Come on back.